We are back, and so is the cart. The carabinier called us about a week ago and said that the lady who took it had dropped it off after having received a visit. The garden is outgrowing us completely. It's terrible actually. We're spending far too much time working on it or maintaining it. This part is the best one, because that's basically dead because of the ivy. So I'm thinking we should do more ivy everywhere. As you guys just saw, I did some work in the kitchen. I have basically finished what I'm supposed to do now. That wall is not super important. It's going to be completely covered by the kitchen. We're doing an opening here. That corner is... it needs some work. It's not going to happen anytime soon. Most likely I'll be moving upstairs to start working on the bathroom. I do have a lot of work to do in this bathroom as well. Not super keen. It needs a lot of preparations in here. We'll see. That might happen. Some of you guys think I should finish one room before I move on to the next one. It might be a good idea. The problem is whenever I do this little thing or the opening in the kitchen, I'm gonna create total chaos with the painted wall, so it's not gonna happen. We're also doing an opening here, so it's gonna be very, very dusty for quite some time in here. So I'm gonna continue taking care of the walls as I have. And I mean, I'm probably gonna get bored pretty soon, so I'll do something else, but for now, that's it. I will most likely be working in here. So I just finished the bucket here. The outcome is actually terrible, but it doesn't matter. It's just the first layer. In here, it's starting to look good. It's getting drier. I had to rush off to do some errands, but yeah, it's getting decent. done, and so are my hands, unfortunately. I need to take a break from working on the walls. This is what I did yesterday, that's why it's nice and dry already. I finished the bucket here, so that's starting to look decent. The guest room behind me, it's gonna have to wait for a bit. Who knows? So basically, unfortunately, that leads us to work in here. Wow, can't wait. So step number one is sinking this one into the wall. It's going to be a bathtub here. I'm going to pull it that way and then down through the opening that I have down there. These I don't have to do much with, because we're building out a small partition wall or small extension here to cover the toilet, but on this side there won't be much more than maybe just a thin wall panel. So I'm going to sink that in for slightly here, attach it down there, and then start working on the walls. For some reason that won't start, so I need to go and see what's going on with that, because I need to cut these old pipes that goes there, and that's old lead electricity pipes. So those are gonna go, and I can pull the cable there and then to the floor and down there. So yeah, let's head inside and see what's going on with the machine.
5 minutes later.
I have no idea what I'm doing here. For some reason I can't get the engine out. So it's basically stuck here. I got the gears out, but yeah, I don't know. It won't start.
11 minutes later.
Actually, this might be a reason to problem. It's not super clean, so I might have to do some work here. I'm gonna head inside, remove all the cables, clean this up, and see if that works.
20 minutes later.
So I took it all apart, cleaned all the connections, I cleaned it up a little bit, and it works. Now I just need to assemble it and do the tiny little cut that I had to do. Maybe I should have done a bit of maintenance before, but yeah, priorities.
One pathetic sob story later.
Right, that was a success. Now I just need to pry this piece off and then catch that, and then I'm basically done here. that could have ended badly. The whole blade sheared into pieces. Yeah, so I need to go get a new one. So it's starting to look okay in here. I have done, I don't know, about 250 square meters of wall so far. And I think I have at least another 500-600 left. I don't know, what is that, 5,000-6,000 square feet of walls to do. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break from working on the walls. My idea is to work in here, but the more I do it, the less I'm feeling it. I thought I was finished working on these, and then I just found, I forgot about that. I was gonna go in that direction, which is the shortest one. So I'll deal with that at some point. I just released an episode of the music from the channel. That's definitely not for everyone, but a few had requested it. That's why I did it. In the coming days, I will probably release something else as well. But I'll be back next Friday with another normal episode. And hopefully I won't be working on the walls. I can't make any promises though. I might have recovered and I might be doing some work on the walls. We'll see. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you guys. Ciao!